Hello everyone. So let me walk you through how to create a Play Store account on your Realme C67. So let's get started. Open up your settings. Now you're gonna scroll down to the bottom until you find your passwords and account options. Choose this option, find your add account option, tap here. Right now choose your Google. And now you will be prompted to enter your email or phone if you have your account already. So if you have that, simply enter it, then enter your password and you will be in. However, if you don't have an account, let's press create account. Choose what are you gonna use it for my personal use, for my child, for my work or business. So choose for my personal use. Now you have to enter your name and last name. Press next. Now you gotta choose your birthday and choose your gender. Now choose your gender, female, male, rather not say, or custom. Press next. Now you gotta choose how you will sign in, so to create a Gmail address or to use your email address. You can use email with another provider, or we can create a new Gmail. So I will choose this option. Press next. Now choose a Gmail address, or you can create your own. I'll choose from one of the followings. However, if you want to create your own, simply tap here. You can use letters, number, and periods, and make sure that it's unique. All right. Now we have to create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. So let's do this. You have to use your letters in different cases, use special numbers, and so on. Also, for the easiness, just choose show password option and you'll see it right here. Press next. Now you are to choose whether to add phone number or not. You can add it for safeness and for easier recollection of your account. However, I'll press skip. If you want to, you can press yes, I'm in, and simply add your phone number. Now press next. Now you have to choose your setting, whether express or manual. So for now, basically we've done. Manual option will allow you a little bit more of variety. However, I'll choose express. Now choose your setting, whether let your data be collected or not. However, you have to do this to use your Google account proficiently, so choose accept all. All right, press confirm. Now you have accept privacy in terms. Do that as well. Press I agree. Now you are to choose whether to backup device data or not. Once again, I'll press accept. And basically that's it. Now we added up our Google account. So now let's open up our Play Store. Press accept. Press get started. Press I'm in. And as you see, all right, we can choose an additional web browser for our device. I'll press no thanks. And as you see at the top right corner, we've successfully linked our new account, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.